All right, so last year I did a video where I chose this pen, the Uniball JetStream 4-in-1 as my everyday carry, but I've switched it up. I've switched over to this Pentel Vicuna pen, and I'm gonna tell you why. All right, so the Uniball JetStream 4-in-1 has 4 colors: red, green, blue, black, and then the pencil. Which is cool. It's nice to have all of those in one thing. The problem is this thing, it is a little chunky. When it's in your pocket and you're just trying to even write with it, it's just a little, it's chunky. This guy, so much thinner. It's like half as thin as that. Okay, granted, it only has 2 colors. It just has the black and the red and the pencil. But really, when are you using 4 colors at the same time? It's just not happening on a day-to-day basis. Also, this one is kind of plasticky. It's got a rubber grip and the barrel is plastic. This one is all metal, okay? And this one, the clip, see, you kind of see it. It's kind of obnoxiously poking out. This one, very sleek. You know, it's not catching on anything in your pocket. The inks on these are very similar. Granted, you got 2 more colors with this one, but it doesn't really make that much of a difference. I'll show you a writing test here in a second. This one's also, you know, it's got these clickies and they seem to pop out really easy. It's kind of annoying. This one is twist. You twist, so you just, whatever direction you want to go, it doesn't matter, and you can twist between the red and the black and the pencil, and works great. And really, I use these Moleskine pocket notebooks, and look how it fits in there, nice and thin. Slide that right into your pocket, works really well. All right, ink test. Get on with it, John. All right, I'll pop this down. There we go. Here's a swirly swirl. This is the Pentel Vicuna. And we'll do black. See how the JetStream looks. Pretty much identical. Not much difference. They're the same concept. You know, the ballpoint pens that have good ink. Here's the red of the Vicuna. Here's the red of the JetStream. Looks like the JetStream's a little darker, but not anything huge. Let's do pencil. Pencil on this one. Identical. I don't see any difference. Obviously the JetStream has a couple more colors, and they are nice, vibrant. See, now it's not one to click. There we go. Here's the blue. I really do like that blue. I'll probably swap mine out for blue at some point. And then this green is pretty cool, but I don't use it a whole lot. You know, it's cool color. So you can actually use, I'm gonna pop this open. It's just pressure fit. You can actually swap these out for refills with the Uniball if you want. If you do but happen to prefer that JetStream style, you can swap those out, and they supposedly work just fine. I haven't tried it yet, but it does, from everything I've seen, it does look like they'll work. Anyway, just wanted to show you a quick pen review, switching up a piece of my everyday carry kit, and I'll catch you next time. Later.